Hello everyone, welcome once again to Dada's FoodCrave Kitchen. If you're new here, I welcome you. If you are a returning subscriber, I also welcome you. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget that post notification bell. You will be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. So in today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make some puff puff / African donut. Yes, or beignet if you may call it. I'm going to show you how to make the simple beignet, African donut or puff puff made with plantain. Yes, did you hear me right? I said made with plantain. If you are interested in seeing how to make this delicious snack for your morning coffee or morning tea, keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's get cooking. All right, my Dada's team, let's get started. As you can see, hygiene is key. You want to make sure you wash or rinse your plantain before handling them. All right, hygiene is key. I have here 2 ripe plantain. I'm going to go ahead and peel them off. Notice my plantains are very huge. If you don't have 2 huge ones like this, you can go ahead and use, I would say, 3 small ones if you do find small plantains. Mind you, mine is very big. So I went ahead and cut it up like so. I'm going to go ahead, after cutting it up, I'm going to add it into my food processor or my blender. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. All right, 1 cup of water, and then you're going to go ahead and blend it until it forms like a puree, just like so. If you're enjoying watching this video so far, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget that post notification bell. And as you can see also, I am going to be using self-rising flour. No yeast required for this recipe. There's different ways in making puff puff, all right, or beignet or African donuts. But I'm using self-rising flour, and I'm going to use 4 cups of self-rising flour. Like I said again, no yeast required. Add 4 cups, depending on how much you're making, 4 cups of self-rising flour. I am also going to use powdered milk. It doesn't have to necessarily be the peak powdered milk. You can use any powdered milk of your choice. And I went ahead and add 3 tablespoons of dry powdered milk. I would say use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Of course, I did not measure. I eyeball everything. I would say around 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm using brown sugar. You can go ahead and use white sugar, your preference. I'm going to use 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm using the loose brown sugar. They have the one that is really compact, that is that thick brown sugar. All right, if you can find the loose ones, I would say it's better. I added 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix everything up, make sure everything is well combined. Next, we're going to go ahead and pour in our wet ingredients, which was the plantain that I blended into my food processor. You want to make sure you create a hole in the middle and pour the blended ripe plantain. This was so delicious. It was so yummy. When I brought it to work, my co-worker said it just tastes like, you know, old-fashioned donuts. So I'm going to go ahead and use banana flavored essence. You can use vanilla essence, your choice. All right, I just want to be in the banana family, if you will. So I went ahead and mix everything up until it's well combined. I'm using my gloves, obviously, because my nails are very long. I don't want to, you know, put my hands in it, so I use my black gloves. Went ahead and mix everything until it's well combined like so, and that's it. Simple as that. Simple ingredients that you will be able to achieve this, trust me, in no time. This is the best way to just bake, you know, or just do this type of snacks. It's cold outside, you know. So I covered it up for like 5 minutes. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my oil. I wanted to show you guys a trick. After covering it up for 5 minutes, let everything settle for a little bit. Went ahead and mix it up like so. Now watch the trick that I'm going to show you guys. Instead of using my hand, which is your preference, you can go ahead and use your hand and, you know, dip it before frying it, or you can use this technique that I'm going to show you. I have 2 tablespoons in my hand, one in my right, one in my left. Like I said again, you can use your hand, you can use an ice cream scoop, whatever rocks your boat. I tend to use this method, especially when the dough is sticky like this. I'm going to use just 1 tablespoon, not too much though, and use the other spoon to push it out. That's how I'm going to fry the donut or puff/beignet. In order for you to know if the oil is ready, you want to take a Q-tip, and once it bubbles up, you know the oil is ready. Or you can take a little bit of the dough mixture and put it in the oil. If it starts bubbling up, you know the oil is ready. You don't want your oil to be too extremely hot, because then it's gonna brown up really quick and it would be raw in the inside. So you want to be mindful of that. All right, you want your oil to be hot but not extremely hot, and you don't want your oil to be too cold either. Then it's gonna soak up a lot of oil. As you can see, the technique that I showed you guys with this 2 spoon, I just scoop a little bit, enough to cover the 1 tablespoon, and I use the other spoon to push it out. Like I said again, medium high heat. You want to fry it until everything is brown. All right, not too much high heat and not too much, you know, cold oil either. Then it will soak up a lot of oil. Fry it until it's browned up. You also, another technique, you do not want to crowd the pot. You don't want to have it crowded too much. All right, just enough so you have enough in the pot. Once everything is browned up and you are ready to go, drain it on a paper towel to soak up most of the oil. Give this video a big like and a big thumbs up, and let me know where you're watching me from so that I know where my video is reaching. Yes, as you can see, wasn't that simple, guys? This was very simple to make. You can make this at no time. It doesn't take long at all. No yeast required that you have to let it sit for an hour before you can fry it. Just get you a self-rising flour, your plantain. I've never tried with banana, but I would say plantain. And this is the end result, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys will also try this recipe. Like, share, subscribe if you're new, leave your comment down below. And I thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I will see you all in my next upload. Thank you all so very much for watching. Until I come your way next time, I'll see you all in my next upload. Bye bye. Stay safe out there. Love ya. Bye.
It's Your Life Music.
Let me tell you a little secret. If you don't know how to cook, and the best recipes that you will need to make your food taste yummy.